be making one of my favorite side dishes today. It's just an easy roasted potato recipe, and this is one where you can kind of measure with your heart and figure out what kind of spices you want in. So what I did was I quartered up some potatoes here. I'm just gonna put them in this 13 by 9 pan here, and I'm gonna kind of spread them out. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drizzle some olive oil on top. And I'm not gonna do a ton, just enough to kind of coat the potatoes. Then I'm gonna add some onion powder, some garlic powder, and some Italian seasoning. You could also add anything spicy. You could add some curry powder. You could add some cumin. You could add some St. Lucifer powder, which we love here at Springford. Little spicy action. Shake it around a little bit. And then I like to take some Parmesan cheese and throw that on top. And we love cheese in my household, so we do a lot of cheese. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna kind of spread that cheese around on top and make sure it's even. And then you're gonna put it in the oven at 375 with tin foil on. Let it bake for about 45 minutes. Take the tin foil off, take it out, and they'll be good to go.